Our friends at Shameless Snacks sent me this box of Tropical Paradise variety pack with a bunch of flavors. These snacks, it's like when you're doing keto diet like I am, right? You want to eat and you have to, sometimes you crave at the beginning, especially when you're starting, you're gonna want to, curb your sugar consumption, or at least try to consume, if you're gonna consume anything sugary, it should be under 3 grams of sugar, so that the insulin spike that it's gonna cause when you eat it is not that high and throws you totally off keto. So this is the Shameless Snacks Tropical Paradise, and it comes with all those flavors, and we're gonna try it right now, right? And this is like a guilty pleasure that you'll take once in a while, because it's at the beginning of going keto and doing intermittent fasting, which is the combination of what I do for health. You're gonna crave some sweets, and the key, the key to having a success when doing keto diet and intermittent fasting is in the details, right? It's basically washing the ingredients of the food that you eat to make sure that it's, that it's healthy, right? Now, let me show you how they look. They're like gummies, right? And there's several flavors here. I'll show you how they look. I'll put them in my hand, right? You see? They're like really nice gummies covered with sugar. But as I say, they have 3 grams of sugar. And a serving size, it's going to be this whole bag. So if you really have cravings, you can have this whole bag. I never do. I only have a couple, right? This is my favorite. This is a pineapple one. It tastes so good. And since I've been on keto for such a long time, your palate changes. And this is super, super, super sweet for me. So I only can have a couple of them. Let me show you this one. This red one is what flavor? Let me see. It's strawberry. Yeah. Let's try it. They all taste so well. And they're, this is a really, really safe snack because it's non-GMO verified. It's gluten-free. So, that what you're putting into your body when you're snacking, it's, you can feel confident that it's good for you, right? Let me show you this. This is green, and this is kiwi, I think. Yeah. Man. This tastes so good. So, sometimes when people look at this, because they tend to be non-vegan, these jellies tend to be non-vegan because they're made from bone marrow. But in this case, these jellies are vegan. I'm gonna have the last one because they taste really good. And since I already started snacking, might as well. I'm putting these back because it's so sweet and delicious. You deal with that crave. Wait, what tastes it? Oh, I had a pineapple again, which is my favorite flavor. So, this is so good. Super recommended. And the box comes with several packages, so you can have these, right? Put them in your emergency place. When you break the glass and get the cravings fixed with a nice package of this. And I can't believe it because I'm done. Like, I can't have more sweet than this, but this whole package and everything's love, you see? It's still, the whole package is there. This whole thing is a serving. The bag is a serving, and it's 70 calories, which is nothing, and 3 grams of sugar. Yeah. And it has 3 grams of net carbs. So this is a nice keto-friendly way of snack when you're, especially when you're in the beginning of your keto journey. This is a perfect snack so that you can get your goals, right? Super, super recommended. Thank you, the guys at the Shameless Snacks, because they're really shameless.